In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Connections. Then you need to scroll to tap on More Connection Settings, and finally select Printing. Now it's time to select any print service you have. Use this switcher at the top to enable it and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!